how to find who can mention you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can mention you on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here in the bottom, and after you click on it, click this three lines in top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and scroll down. Here you will find this one, mentions and tags. Click on it and scroll down. Here you will find it, who can mention you, and as you see here you can know who can mention you on TikTok mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.